In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect keyboard to Audacity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and connect and record your keyboard using Audacity. So download the latest version of Audacity. In this video, I'm going to be showing how you can do this with an Yamaha keyboard as an example. So I have the E473 Yamaha MIDI keyboard as an example, but you can follow the same general instructions with any other keyboard model that you have. Something that I would recommend is to download the necessary drivers for your keyboard. Because I'm showcasing Yamaha keyboard as an example, if you have one, you should visit Yamaha keyboard website and download the appropriate driver from here. But if you have a different model, then check the manual and see which drivers you need and where to acquire them from. Once you have Audacity and the drivers good to go, connect your keyboard to your PC or any other device running Audacity. For this particular keyboard model, it is going to be done in this port labeled USB to host. Once again, this is going to depend on your keyboard model. Check the manual if you are unsure. So you plug one end of a cable into the keyboard and the other one goes into your PC, laptop, any device running the Audacity software. You might see different ports besides USB, for example, a dedicated line-in port, microphone port, and so on. So just find the appropriate one that you have to use in order to connect and plug the cables in accordingly. Inside of the software, you will go to Audio Setup, and under Recording Device, the keyboard should appear on this list. If it does not appear here, it is either not being detected by Windows or not properly enabled. So go to the recording devices on the control panel and double check what could be the problem. Once it is selected, you can go ahead and start recording from this audio device that you selected. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.